Hi, it's me, Mr. Chloe X. Well, I'm kind of bored, so maybe I can take you on a trip out with my dog. That's my dog. Going for a walk. That's me. Where are we going, Pops? Where are we going to go? We're going this way. Yeah? So, just going for a walk. People looking at me. Go for walkies, Pops. Let's go for a jog. Yeah. Come on, let's go for a jog. She's stopping. Go on, then. Go on, then. Go on, then, beautiful. Pops ain't got a collar on, so he can't fucking run away. Whereas I'm shitted and she's shitted. Okay, kind of a low battery, so I'll record some more in a minute. My dog is being really gay. She won't even come walking anymore. Look, if we walk this way, she'll start going. Oh, great. So what was that? 47-second walk? And now she wants to walk home. Look, we were just up there like a second ago. We're going to go. Papa, Mum's this way. Come on, quick, quick, quick. Quick, quick. Oh, yes, silly. Okay, looks like we're not going for a walk. That pisses me off because I'll tell you the story. Get the fuck out of there, bush. Basically, when she was a puppy, my granddad took her for a walk near the motorway, and a massive lorry came past. And ever since then, she hates going for walks. So, Granddad, it's your fault. The lamppost. Flag it of the dog. More people looking at me. Mama will be hunting. Ah. Go. So yeah, that was our lovely walk. I'll talk to you when I get inside. Okay, so that was my dog. That wasn't going for a small little walk just around there. Oh. So look, we're only going to walk around there. And we went up there and then went down the other way and keep going up. And she stopped and I was like, oh my god, what is that just time for? So I was like, yep, that's my uncle. I'm recording you now, bitch! He's really mean to me.